新村第七街Sete Bairro Yauhon.
Oh, 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 in Macau. Oh, oh, Sete Bairro Yauhon. Oh, 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 Walking Macau. Oh, oh, Sete Bairro Yauhon. Yeah, 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 I'm just walking in Macau. Yeah, 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 I'm just walking in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. Sete Bairro Yauhon. Up by the border, Sete Bairro Yauhon. Oh, a street up by the border. Oh, a street up by the border. Yeah, 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 I'm just walking in Macau. Yeah, 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 I'm just walking in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau.
This is our little alley, so we're going to be going down that way in a moment. They're doing a lot of construction right next to it, but we're going to record it. Hello. We'll record it and capture it. But this whole area is called this Iron Hone, and we're going to go down here to do some context with it. Let's put it up on the map. Wow, super loud. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay. So we got all this construction. We're gonna actually try to meander in it, and we're trying to give as much context as we can. And because of the construction, I might, well, we'll just see. We'll see. This will change. That noise. This street goes all the way down, so we're going to go into something different. But all this is oil. Let me just show you something real quick. Oh, let's see it. I think this is a different, but basically this Iron Hone kind of looks like this. We're going to just stay faithful to our 7th Street and go down it. You can kind of see it right there. I'm gonna go down like this. I'm just gonna get away from that little spot, but you get to see a little bit of what it looks like there. And then just to kind of give you an idea, this is the 3rd Street of the Iron Hone. The one that we were on is called the 7, and they're doing all this construction right now to it. But we're gonna walk down this way, and then we'll go back to number 7. There's a market that cuts it in the middle, and there's a friendly guy there, so we'll probably see him again. I just filmed him when I was doing the other street, and he's all the way down there. He's bye. So he was telling me to get some apples and oranges, but I'm just kind of filming right now. So all of this is all Iron Hone, all of that whole area, and this is all Iron Hone as well. And I think that 7, there's the construction right over there, and then you can also see all of the fruits, and they're kind of getting ready for Chinese New Year as well. And that was the number 7, so we kind of started down that way, and then we're going to continue down this way. So this is all part of number 7 as well, and it continues. So all of this is this Ion Hone. You can see kind of the style of the places as well. And that goes up to the border. So let's go down it. And we'll try to capture more of what it looks like. Okay. So they all kind of have like a lot of industry. There's Macau sign. And then if you go up, there's all these little things that go, so you can go all the way up into all of these as well. I think there would be another one. There's one guy on the steps on one side. So, but these kind of look like this all the way down. So we're gonna go all the way down as well. And then I'll go up one of those as well. So this is number 7. All the fast cars moving along. We have no crosswalk for our street, but this is still number 7, I believe. Number 1, number 7. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Whole little community in here. We'll walk all the way down it. It's got all old ties. And then we have streets like Nove, so it's number 9. And it's also number 9 down there too. I thought they'd have the steps, but I guess it's not in this particular one. I don't know if we saw our sign at all in here, did we? Getting a haircut there. So I think 7 ends up here. So there's our sign right there. It says Sete to Ion Hone, so you can see it at the top right up there. So that's actually where we're at. And let me just kind of give you some context. We'll move. We'll just kind of go down like this. So that was Ion Hone number 7, and I think there's more of these streets like this too, so you can kind of see the context of them. And yeah, there's 9 altogether, and they're all a little bit different, but they're all this Ion Hone neighborhood, so they all have the same name in Chinese and Portuguese, except 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's really the only thing. Yeah, this one is actually number 9 right there, and we're on 7. Okay. So yeah, this is this little Ion Hone neighborhood. And we'll just come up to the end of the street here, and then we're gonna end it. So I think we're not on 7 anymore. It was the parallel one, but this is kind of what the whole context looks like, is kind of like this. And the border is right there. So there's a border. I'm gonna turn the camera around in a second, but there's also all these little entrances. They're kind of interesting. And then you can kind of see the whole stretch, so you can see all these, the whole row all the way down. So all of this is called the Ion Hone neighborhood. Yeah, there's a certain beauty to it, for sure. Okay, and on that note, we're gonna end our video. So that was Ion Hone number 7. We'll just come up to the beginning of it. And number 7 was this alley right here. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this is all this kind of high-owned home area. That's the one, and we're on 7.